I'm Randy Reed, editor of the Edison Report, and I'm here at the Green Tech booth with Jonathan Hollander. Now, one thing to note is, as the editor of the Edison Report, I also am an owner in Green Tech Lighting. So I just want our audience to be aware of that. So Jonathan, let's talk a little bit about the driverless driver.
This is the driverless driver solution. We call it DLD. And the idea is to have this one to drive 6 channels independently, controlled by sophisticated software that provide very nice features. Each of the luminaires or lamps can be connected to each of the output channels in this side. You can have several lamps or several luminaires connected to one channel as long as they are similar. However, it's not critical to have any type of lamps or luminaires with different voltages as long as they are class 2 connected to different output channels. So each channel can control independently lamps that are connected on every single output of the DLD. Each channel can provide up to 80 watts of power, total of 480 watts of this DLD solution. The DLD is built up like a Lego, 3 layers. The first layer that you see here can provide 2 channels independently. If you use a second layer, you can provide up to 6 channels independently controlled. And the third level is for providing full communication protocol. We have adopted 2 types of communication protocols. The first one is a long-range solution, which is proprietary of Metrolight in order to provide 21 kilometers range in outdoor areas, or 2 kilometers in inside or in a constructions, buildings, or whatsoever. We guarantee the communication, and this is the idea. If there is a Wi-Fi communication in the area, we have the optional of Wi-Fi communication, and in this case, it's very simple connection, no need for a gateway to control the DLDs. We developed this smallest size in the market of a compact power source of 200 watts to be operated with the DLD. The idea is to have a simple connection of this compact size power source to the DLD, and since the DLD can operate up to 480 watts output luminaires, you can use 2 of these in order to provide 400 watts output power. The design is the smallest in the market, 95% efficiency typically, and have all the features of protections on the output side, input side, including street light application of 10 kV surge protection. Okay, so since this DLD can operate up to 480 watts, 6-channel output luminaires, you can operate it with 1 power pack of 200 watts, or you can connect 2 of those to operate 400 watts output. Each of the channels can provide 80 watts output independently controlled, so total 400 in case of 2 power packs connected to this DLD. We have developed a specific dedicated software to operate the DLD, which is very intuitive and very simple to operate. The software can download your sketch of the site, or you can draw your own sketch using the sketch tool that's included in the software. Once you download your sketch, you can have the lamps located in the right place, like this one. I can move them and I can drag them to the correct place and the correct area. You can select any type of lamps that is available, or you can scan a lamp from the barcode that is attached to the lamp or to the luminaire, and the software will immediately enter it to the list of lamps available for this application. The setup is very simple. You can, for example, group, if you press the group, you can group lamps together to be operated in a specific protocol or scheduler as a group, or you can program a scheduler for a specific lamp. You can also mount a virtual keypad like this one, and the keypad can operate with the keys that you assign them, the lamps in the specific arrangement that you program. You can also have a physical keypad that can be located anywhere in the room, and you set and assign the appropriate switches to the keypad, so once they are assigned, the physical keypad will act exactly the same way. The software is so simple that you don't need any kind of user manual to learn it, but just try and see how simple it is. You can, for example, add some temperature sensors, movement sensors, everything can be added very simple in a second.
Thank you, Jonathan. I appreciate you explaining the driverless driver. It looks like a great product, and I'm happy to be affiliated with it.
Thank you so much.